Question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed in the starting point, which is 5 meters from the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line C in figure. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket. Bucket runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Now to start the solution of this question. Now to start the solution of this question, here is distance between distance between the first potato and the bucket, is given 5 meter. Distance between next two potatoes, distance between next two potatoes is given 3 meter. So picks up the potatoes and dropped. So picks up the potato, picks up the potatoes, and dropped to the bucket, then distance covered for potatoes are first potato 5 plus 5 comma 5 plus 3 8 plus 8, next 8 plus 3 11 plus 11, and so on, because 5 is in figure. Now this figure is here, here is first potatoes, here is 5, this is 5 meter, 5 is this, 5 is this is 10. Then second potato is here. The total distance one side is 5 plus 3 8 and back again 8. Then that is 8 plus 8 and third and so on. 5 plus 5 10, 8 plus 8 16, 11 plus 11 22 and so on. Here number of potatoes, here number of potatoes given, that is 10. Then find the total distance traveled for total distance traveled for 10 potatoes. Formula is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now is here, this is 16 minus 10, that is 6, 22 minus 16, that is 6 and so on. So this is AP. Now here first term denoted by A, that is 10. First term A equal to given 10 and common difference denoted by D, that is second term minus first term. 16 minus 10, that is 6. Here also number of potatoes is given 10. It means n equal to 10. Now substitute the value S10 equal to 10 upon 2. 2 into A is here 10 plus n is 10 minus 1 into D. D is here 6. Now simplify 10 upon 2, that is 5. 10 to the 20 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 6. 5 20 plus 9 6 54. 5 into 4 5 to 7, that is 74. 5 4 20, 5 7 35, 35, 5 7 35, 35, 37. It means that is 370 meter, because distance is given here is in meter. Then distance covered in potato are in meters. So the total distance, that is 370 meter.